Hey, it's Emily from SupplyHouse.com, and in this video, I'll talk about the Honeywell HM750 Advanced Electrode Humidifier. Ideal humidity levels protect people, pets, possessions, and a home structure. The HM750 is the industry's first duct-mountable humidifier with a wall mount option for simplified installation. It provides efficient, on-demand humidification by generating an output of up to 11 or 22 gallons per day. It quietly operates on 120 or 240 volts with easy access wiring with push-in terminals. Intuitive diagnostics are displayed and ensure the home and its occupants are always comfortable. The canister is hinge-mounted and pre-mineralized, providing easy maintenance, faster startup process, and optimized humidifier performance. The HM750 can be connected to a wide variety of Honeywell thermostats, as well as controlled digitally with the Total Connect Comfort app. The dimensions are 17 inches tall by 10 inches wide by 7 inches deep, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. For more information, visit the resources at SupplyHouse.com or email us with any questions.